Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to convert a date variable, which includes like date and month and year, all of them together, into a yearly data or year variable, so where only year would be your data point. So the way I am going to do it, so we have already a variable created called DOB recorded. So, and you can list this variable in first in observation, and you can see that these are like month and date and year, but for our analysis purpose, let's say we need just the year. And in many of the research situations, you will just need this year variable so that you can understand the effects of the year, or this is the date of birth. So if people born earlier as opposed to or if people born earlier or later, whatever it is, so then you can measure the effects of this variability in your data set on the yearly data. However, sometimes most of the times I think this yearly data is the most useful for the research purpose. So now what I'm gonna do is to go to create a new variable, for which I go to data and create or change data to create new variable, and we're gonna name it year, or you can say year of birth or whatever it is, and then you have to change this thing DOB in Stata and this thing all together, because we want not date but year. So if you go to function and then date and time, you'll find something called year. So click on it and you say the name of the variable here, so which is DOB recoded, and then click OK again, and so two missing data. And now if you go to if you write this again, like list, use the list command, and year, I don't know, the I think it's the first letter is the capital letter, so list year in first in observation. And now you can see in the year is only stored. We got rid of the month and the date. So this is how you convert your data that is in date format to year format. So I hope this was helpful, and if you find my channel helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.